Everyone wants extra income, but the real question is, which side hustles will actually pay you in dollars or pounds in 2025? Most hustles look great on thumbnails, but they don't really make money. So in this video, I'm sharing the best high-paying side hustles of 2025 that genuinely work and can help you start earning quickly. How? Freelance AI assistance. Freelance AI assistance is one of the fastest growing opportunities right now. You can help clients with content, emails, writing, research, and automation. Beginners can easily earn $15 to $40 per hour, and skilled freelancers earn even more. Oh, faceless YouTube channels. You can also start a faceless YouTube channel. You don't need to show your face, just use AI scripts, AI voiceovers, and simple editing. Finance, tech, and psychology channels get higher RPMs from US and UK audiences, often $5 to $15 per 1,000 views. Oh? Zenith Blueprint. Before we continue, here's something that can speed up your entire journey. Zenith Blueprint is a complete roadmap to grow and scale any online business. If you want to earn in dollars or pounds consistently, this can save you months of trial and error. The link is in the description. Of social media management, businesses need help with posting, planning, and engagement. A single client can pay $400 to $1,500 every month. Just a few clients can create a stable income. Oh, Amazon KDP. Amazon KDP is a great long-term income option. Upload journals, planners, and logbooks. Amazon prints and ships everything. Many people earn $200 to $5,000 per month, depending on how many books they upload. Affiliate marketing plus AI content. Affiliate marketing with AI-generated content is growing very fast. Create short videos and promote high-paying products. Many programs pay $20 to $500 per sale. You can start without any investment. Virtual assistant for US divided by UK. You can work remotely for US or UK clients as a virtual assistant. Tasks include email management, research, scheduling, and data entry. Pay starts at $10 to $25 per hour. Emble, print on demand. Create simple designs once, upload them, and platforms like Etsy or Redbubble handle the rest. Many creators earn $300 to $3,000 a month from trending designs. These are the best side hustles in 2025 that actually pay in dollars or pounds. And here's the real secret: you don't need all of them. You only need one, but you need to start today. Tell me in the comments which side hustle you want to begin with. And don't forget to check Zenith Blueprint, the link is in the description.